By now you've probably lost count of the number of hot chocolate bomb recipe videos online. Well, we decided to take it up a notch and create this giant heart hot chocolate bomb. Here's how you can too. We tempered our chocolate in the microwave, which is the easiest method we've found so far. Simply microwave your chocolate in 15-second intervals, stirring in between. Once about half of the chocolate is melted, start taking the temperature. You want to make sure it never goes above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue this process of microwaving, stirring, and checking the temperature until the chocolate has fully melted. This next step is optional, but it will give your finished product a little pizzazz. All we did was lightly brush the inside of our heart molds with some gold edible luster dust. We didn't add too much, just enough to give it some shimmer. We then used a clean paintbrush to coat the inside of the mold with our melted chocolate. Make sure to paint all the way up the rim so there will be no gaps. You'll need to do this step for both halves of your mold. It's best to paint on 2 coats, allowing them about 5 minutes to cool in between. After the second coat has completely dried, remove the chocolate heart from the silicone mold by first loosening the edges, then gently peeling the mold away. You're now ready to fill your chocolate bomb with your favorite hot cocoa mix and marshmallows. Use a piping bag filled with melted chocolate to pipe a line around the edge of one half. This will help to seal the 2 halves together when you place the other on top and gently press to connect them. Just give it a few minutes to harden and you're ready to serve by pouring hot milk over top. Once the chocolate has melted, give it a stir and ladle into mugs to share with friends and family. Subscribe to Dished for more chocolate recipes.